Hi all, welcome to Ruhi's Recipes and Eid Mubarak to everyone. This is the first Eid in quarantine and I hope this would be the last quarantine Eid as well. Today I'm going to share with you how I spent my Eid day yesterday. It was all hurry shopping. We usually do like this. The day before Eid we went for shopping and got all these stuffs from food to clothes and everything. The place was very much crowded as it was a day before Eid. This is the dress I bought for Eid, but I couldn't wear this at all. This is the next day we wake up for Fajr, got ready and did our Eid prayers at home. After Eid prayer, it is a routine to go to your relatives' house, meet them and convey your wishes. But this Eid was different. We stayed at home all the day. Then I started to make the sheer khurma. It's a tradition to serve with a sweet after the prayer. So there is no home without a sheer khurma on the Eid day. This is just a recap of the recipe. I will soonly upload the recipe in my channel. It was already like 8 p.m. even I started preparing everything from Fajr. I prefer adding khoya to any kheer I make because for kheer you need a very thick milk and skimming the milk to that extent really requires a lot of time. Adding khoya makes that process easier. The sheer khurma was ready and then I served it to my family. Then I prepared the breakfast and served it. Usually on Eid day our breakfast is fixed, idli, sambar and vada. This is the one we usually prepare on Eid day. Husband also got some parotas and gravy from outside. By the time I served the breakfast, it was already 10 a.m. Then, as soon as I finished, I started making the biryani. This time, I made Hyderabadi biryani. For this biryani, the mutton has to be marinated and onions has to be fried very much brown and then added to the biryani. We don't add tomatoes to this biryani. This biryani was easy to make unlike the usual and egg prepare. Then was the tandoori chicken. This is also the first time I'm making this. It was difficult for me to fit the skewers. This fixing took a lot of my time. Then finally, after a lot of struggles, I put this into the oven. This will take 1.5 hours to cook, so I thought I could use this time to make the brinjal gravy. This brinjal gravy is served in Indian weddings. They taste really very good. Once we had a cook to make food for a party. That time we made this gravy and it tasted similar to like served in Indian weddings. We got the recipe from him and since then we started cooking that way. I'm also preparing the same way. At last I finished off the cooking. It was about 3 p.m. I served the lunch. We had his brother invited for lunch. He got this baklava sweet. This is really worth the price. It really tastes good. I also prepared 2 more sweets previous day. Basbousa and chocolate pastry. Many people ask me, do we eat this much for one meal? Definitely not. We are human, right? We save this for dinner or for the next day. And whenever I make something special in my home, we give to people who couldn't have good food. And I know most of them are doing that way. I went to sleep after lunch as I was very tired. Usually I don't prepare this many dishes for Eid. I make it very simple and we get to spend some day outside. We go to a park or to some friend's home, but this Eid we stayed at home. This quarantine didn't make our friends father. We have a developed technology and we can communicate through videos nowadays. So that's it. I have not showed the recipes here. I will upload all the recipes soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz and happy Eid to all. I hope you all liked my video today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and enable the notification button so that you don't miss out any updates.